I'm Aubrianna Snow for Stock Alert Media. Equitorial Exploration returns assays of 1.9% lithium oxide over 31.88 meters at Cat Lake. Equitorial Exploration Corps is pleased to report the drill assay results from the discovery hole CT1802 in the Cat Tail Pegmatite. The discovery hole encountered approximately 36 meters of a sputamine-bearing pegmatite on its 100% owned Cat Lake lithium property in southeast Manitoba. This new pegmatite discovery is directly adjacent to the Cat Lake mineral project owned by Quantum Minerals Corps. CEO Jack Ball stated, "These are exceptional assay results. We will shortly announce a follow-up drill program for this summer to more fully define this pegmatite system." Drill hole CT1802 is the second drill hole of the company's aggressive 1,256-meter 7-hole drill program. Drill hole CT1802 is positioned to intersect a possible extension of the Ergon pegmatite system, presently being explored by QMC Quantum Minerals to the west of the company's claims. The drill hole encountered 36.19 meters of a sputamine-bearing pegmatite, true width not determined at this time, at a depth of 126.41 meters downhole or 90 meters below the surface. The hole was collared approximately 200 meters southeast of the last surface exposure of the Ergon pegmatite. Prior to being drilled, the Cat Tail Pegmatite was buried with no surface expression. Assay results for CT1802 reported a weighted average of 1.90% lithium oxide was obtained over a mineralized length of 31.88 meters, true width not determined at this time, from the discovery hole into the Cat Tail Pegmatite. 3 zones of sputamine mineralization were noted within the mineralized zone, with the highest assay being 3.74% lithium oxide. The pegmatite is crudely zoned. With the favorable lithium assay results, the company will submit the remainder of the samples from the other 6 holes to the assay lab. Drill holes CT1804 and CT1806 also intersected the Cat Tail Pegmatite. Other pegmatites were encountered in the drilling, but the Cat Tail Pegmatite is the most significant. The Cat Tail Pegmatite has been intersected over a distance of 50 meters and remains open along strike and to depth. At this time, it is difficult to predict if the Cat Tail Pegmatite is a new pegmatite system or an extension of the Ergon pegmatite system to the west. The core samples were sent to the Activation Laboratories facility in Ancaster, Ontario for analysis. Samples were prepared using the lab's Code RX1 procedure. Samples are crushed up to 95%, passing through a 10-mesh riffle split, and then pulverized with mild steel to 95%, passing 105 gigajoules. Analyses were completed using the lab's UltraTrace 7 package, a sodium peroxide fusion which allows for total metal recovery and is effective for analysis of sulfides and refractory minerals. Assay analyses are carried out using ICP-OES and ICP-MS instrumentation. Equitorial Exploration implemented a QA/QC program for the drill program with the injection of blanks, duplicates, and commercial standards at intervals throughout the sample sequence. Activation Laboratories has their own internal QA/QC procedures that it carries out for all sample batches. The drill program was supervised by Kerry Galishuk, PGO, a consulting geologist with extensive experience in lithium-bearing pegmatites. He also serves as qualified person for the purpose of National Instrument 43101. Here are some of the Cat Lake lithium property highlights. Property is situated directly east and along strike of Quantum Minerals' Cat Lake Mineral Project, which was previously the Ergon lithium mine. During 1956 to 1957, the Ergon mine was an underground mining operation for sputamine, one of the hard rock sources for lithium. The pegmatite had a historic estimate of 1.25 million tons of ore grading 1.51% lithium oxide. Equatorial claim block 150 meters from the south end of the Ergon lithium mine shaft and approximately 93 meters east of the last exposed outcrop of the Ergon pegmatite. 48 feet, 14.63 meters, of sputamine-bearing quartz were reported drilled in 1948 on the company's present claims, but were not followed up at the time. The property is approximately 180 kilometers northeast of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Excellent infrastructure. Provincial Highway 314 in southeast Manitoba cuts through the property. The property lies within the east-trending Mayville-Cat-Euclid Greenstone Belt along the northern contact of the Masqua Lake batholith. This northern greenstone belt has a similar structural geological setting as the Bird River Greenstone Belt, which is located along the southern contact of the same batholith and is parallel to and approximately 18 kilometers to the south of the Mayville-Cat-Euclid Greenstone Belt. The property is located 20 kilometers north of the Tanco mine property. The Bird River Greenstone Belt hosts the world-class Tanco rare element-bearing pegmatite dike, as well as numerous other lithium-bearing pegmatites. The Tanco mine went into production in 1969 and produced tantalum, cesium, and sputamine lithium. It was previously North America's largest and sole producer of sputamine, tantalum, and polysite. Equatorial has granted a total of 2 million incentive stock options to directors, officers, employees, and/or consultants under the company's stock option plan. The options are exercisable at 0.095 cents per share and will expire June 13, 2023. Equatorial is aggressively developing 4 100% owned, high-potential lithium projects in North America. The Little Nahanni Pegmatite Group is a 43101 compliant hard rock lithium property in the Northwest Territories. The Cat Lake lithium property in Manitoba, Canada is directly adjacent to the Cat Lake Mineral Project, a highly prospective lithium property. The Tool and Gerlach lithium brine projects are located in lithium-rich Utah and Nevada within easy reach of the Tesla Gigafactory No. 1. All 4 projects have demonstrated highly encouraging grades. For more information, please visit the company's website at equitorialexploration.com or contact Jack Ball, CEO, at 604-306-5285 or email jackballvr@gmail.com. I'm Aubrianna Snow for Stock Alert Media.